In this video, I'll share 4 hot tips with you using which you can grow your Google reviews and that will impact your profile growth also. Number 1 tip is, guys, you can create a review poster with a QR code and that you can paste in your shop, through which anyone visiting your shop, maybe an inquiry or maybe a customer, can scan it through a mobile device and get you a review, guys. Second is, guys, you can create a short link of your Google review and a custom short link which you can share with your customers and get the review. For this, you can actually offer some coupon code or some small gift, and against that you will definitely get a review, guys. Third tip is, guys, you can take reviews from your family, friend or staff and initial levels. But remember not to miss a review from your customer. You have to follow up with your customers to get a review definitely from them. The fourth tip is, guys, you can take reviews from the leads which you are getting, even if they are not converting, by offering them some discount coupon, some freebie or something small which you can offer, and against that you can get a review from them positively, guys. And to create this review poster or a custom short link for your Google business profile, you can use our app gbpgm. The link is mentioned in the description section. To use this app to generate a review poster or create a short review link, which will be a custom review link which will help you grow your review.